Hey guys, how are y'all doing? Welcome back. So today I'm going to be making a whole roasted chicken for dinner, and I'm going to be doing it in the foodie on the air crisp method. No pressure cook on this one. I'm gonna try doing it just all air frying. So I brined my chicken last night, and a typical brine is just salt water, maybe some sugar. I added some garlic cloves, whole peppercorns, and a little bit of, I used coconut sugar instead of regular sugar. And you just kind of heat that up and let it dissolve, let it cool completely, pour it over your chicken, and let it sit for 1 to 24 hours. So I got about 12 hours out of it. That just helps it be a little bit more flavorful and moist. And now I just need to pat the skin dry, and we'll go ahead and season it up, and we're going to fill the cavity here with, I've got 1 medium onion. I don't think I'll be able to fit it all. I have a lemon, and then I have some garlic cloves that I'm going to put in there. So let me get this patted dry, and we'll get started. Alright, so I have my foodie preheating right now, and this is all patted dry. So we're going to go ahead and start stuffing the cavity. This is when you find out if you have any burns. So a lot of times I will put some seasoned compound butter in between the skin and the meat, but I didn't have any made, and I didn't have the right herbs to do it, so we will just have to skip that step. But if you want to do that, all you do is just loosen the skin from the meat all around the breasts and the thighs, and I like to use compound butter that I've frozen. That way it's a little bit easier to get into those little pockets, and it'll just melt and make it nice and juicy. Okay. So maybe using some cajun seasoning on this. Dumped all that out. Sprinkle some inside. Should have done that before I stuffed it so full. Okay. And this will give it a really nice color, as well as a great flavor. Sorry, I breathed in some of that pepper. Excuse me. Okay. So right here, spray this down. And we need to, I'll go ahead and truss the legs, which you can use kitchen twine for this. I am using graffiti band. Just hold them in place there. Turn this over, and we need to there we go. Put that in our basket here. We'll wash my hands real quick. So we're starting off breast side down. Spray this side, some oil. And sprinkle it up with some seasoning. And I'll add more seasoning to the other side when we flip it, because we are going to flip it partway through. Alright. And got this nice and preheated. So it's preheated to 375. Let me do this properly so I don't burn myself. Alright. Let's tuck this little sucker down. Come on. There we go. Close that lid. And we're going to let this go for about 30 minutes. Alright, we'll be back in about 30 minutes. So the camera has officially died. I am not sure what happened, but it's not working. So let's take a look at this chicken. Wow, that looks amazing. Let me see if I can get you set up to where you can see me while I flip this. And flip this all the way over. So got that flipped. Wow. This smells fantastic and looks even better. I don't know that it looks better, but it looks amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray the breast side. And we're gonna sprinkle it with a little more seasoning, since most of that seasoning came off. And I am going to Alright, and I'm going to get my probe thermometer out so we make sure that we do not overcook this thing. See. I gotta have enough room. Let's see what I can do here. Alright, so it's almost done, you guys. It's at 145. So we're gonna turn this temperature down. Let me close this here. put it on air crisp. We're gonna turn it down to 350 and we're gonna set that for 15 minutes. I don't think we'll need that long though. We're just gonna go until the temperature is 160. Okay, so the thermometer just reached 160. Let's go ahead and take a look. Oh my. Wow, can y'all see this? Look at how beautiful that is. Okay. My cutting board. That is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna let this rest for a few minutes and then we'll go ahead and cut into it. Okay, so let's see. Let's go ahead and see about cutting into this. It's been a few minutes. I am very hungry, y'all. Oh, wow. Oh, that looks beautiful. Find that joint here. There we go. Oh, wow. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Cut off a little piece. Give it a try. It's hot. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh my gosh. That has so much flavor. This is amazing. And can you tell the skin is crispy? This is absolutely fantastic, you guys. And so easy. So easy. Alright, well I'm going to dig in. And probably going to break down the rest for a chicken salad and some other things. So, y'all have a great night. Thank you for joining me.